Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 3, Number Pattern, Chapter number 1, Lecture number 5, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we will learn about number pattern by using our two methods. We have two methods for number pattern. We have two methods. Our first method is number disk method by using number disk. Our first method is number disk method by using number disk. Here student, number disks are shown. This number disk shows ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This number disk show ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Students, this number disk show different colors. The orange number disk is of ones. The orange number disk is of ones. Pink number disk is of tens. Green number disk is of 100, blue number disk is of 1000 and the grey number disk is of 10,000. Student, our second method is number line method by using number line. Here number line is shown. Now student, it's time to solve our question by number disk method, that is our first method. In number pattern, find the missing numbers. We find the missing numbers by number disk method. 10 more than 34,326. Now student, we show this in our number disk. We show this in our number disk. Student, we show 10,000 in 3 number disk of 10,000. We show 4,000 in 4 number disk of 1,000. We show 300 in 3 number disk of 100. We show 2 tens in our 2 number disk of tens. And we show 6 in our ones number disk of 6. Student, now we add tens in our green disk, that is tens place. We add tens more than means we add tens in our tens place. When we add tens in our tens place, when we add green number disk, we get total number of tens place disks are counted 1, 2, 3. Total number of tens place number disks are 3. So tens more than 34,326 is, when we add tens more in it, we get 34,336. We get 34,336. When we add tens more in it, we get 34,336. Now students, it's time for less than. 10 less than 34,326. Similarly, we show the question 34,326 in our number disk. We similarly show these places in our number disk. Student, our question is 10 less than, our question is 10 less than 34,326. We less tens in our tens number disk. We less tens in our tens number disk. When we less tens in our tens number disk, we less 1 tens in 2 number disk of tens. The remaining disk is 1. The remaining disk is 1. We get 34,316. The changing in our tens place is 1 tens. We get 34,316. Now student, it's time for more and less of hundreds. Our question is 100 more than 34,326. We show our question in a number disk. 3 number disk of 10,000, 4 number disk of 1,000, 3 number disk of 100, 2 number disk of tens and 6 number disk of ones. Our question is 100 more than 34,326. More than means we add 100 in a 100 number disk. We add 100 in a 100 number disk. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4. We get 4 number disk of 100. So the change in a 100 place, 34,426. When we add 100 more in a 34,326, we get 34,426. Now student, it's time for our next question, that is finding the missing number. 100 less than 34,326 is. Similarly student, we draw a number disk of 3,000, 4,000, 4,300s and 2 tens, and in the last we draw our ones number disk, 6 number disk of ones. Student, our question is 100 less than 34,326. When we less 100 in 100 place, the remaining disks are 1, 2. Our remaining disks are 2. When we less 1 in 100 place, we get our answer 34,236. Now students, it's time for our 1,000 place. Student, our question is find the missing number. 1,000 more than 34,326. 1,000 more than 34,326. Student, we draw a number disk of 34,326. We draw 3 number disk of 10,000, 4 number disk of 1,000, 3 number disk of 100, 2 number disk of tens, and 6 number disk of ones. Student, now we add 1,000. 1,000 more than means we add thousands in a 1,000 number disk. We add 1,000 in a 1,000 number disk. We add one more disk in 1,000 number disk. We get, now student, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get total number of 5,000 disks. When we add 1,000 more than in 34,326, we get 35,326. When we add 1,000 more in 34,326, we get 35,326. Now students, it's time for less than in a 1,000 place. Students, our question is find the missing number. 1,000 less than, our question is 1,000 less than 34,326. 1,000 less than 34,326. Student, we draw a number disk of 34,326 as we draw 3 number disk of 10,000, 4 number disk of 1000, 3 number disk of 100, 2 number disk of tens and 6 number disk of ones. Now student, we less 1000 number disk. We less in 1000 number disk. Student, now less 1000 number disk. When we less 1000 number disk, we get total number of counted 1, 2, 3. Total number of 3000 number disk. 1000 less than 34,326 is 33,326. We get 33,326. Thanks for watching.